big up on yourself. As me always say, you could have done anywhere in the world, only the right us with me. What's the next vlog? Which part we start? Me don't know. This year, me plan to do this year different. Me don't know if you can see that the snow right now. You know what I mean? I'm going to see if I can vlog back, if I can manage to vlog back. Because my life chaotic right now. Me just here, so me I do my own thing. Me everybody still a link. I feel like I'm alone in New York. Nice day in New York, you know, but nice day. We up one part, up one place, up one part. I don't know Chavas got further and everything already, so go on, go further. I need to go further, but I don't know when yet. Yeah, I'm going to try to start back, do some vlogging. This year, I call this year Project Comedy. Because this year, I want to bring back some comedy to the channel. I want the comedy video, cooking video, comedy short film, I want the comedy movie. And you know what the craziest thing? I have countless comedy film in the phone now. Script ideas for movies, they write everything right and in the phone there already. Trust me when I tell you that. Everything in the phone already. So I just need to really find the time to do it and find people to do it with. I feel like I uploaded one video last year and that is terrible. Because far me I come from, I don't deserve this. I'm not supposed to treat you like this. I feel like the wall of internet I go one side. I don't like what it shift to. I don't like the comedy I go. We need to forward back and show the people them say, yo, it can be done the right way. It can be done without mix up. It can be done without fight. It can be done without war. I'm going to see more content this year because as I say, I call this year Project Comedy. Everything when we put out this year, we just want to be comedy. We just want people start laugh again. We just want people start enjoy content creating again. We just want people start enjoying movies, enjoy short films, sketch, cooking video. The place just too tense, too much mix up, too much war, too much violence, too much killing. We just want people to laugh again. For this year, and that we are pray, definitely I pray that. Yeah, and you don't know say health is wealth. So this year me also, well from last year me I do the gym thing. I don't call it no Jill, I don't call it no nothing. It's called GYM, gym. So I call it gym. I both got the gym right now, I'm bringing it with me, so forward. Be snow outside right now. Wow. Listen, I'm telling you this. Me not really 100% know what me I do when it comes to being in the gym. So if you see me I do something wrong, as people who go gym every day and do this, don't bash me, don't cuss me. Just write a comment and say you're famous, you do the exercise wrong. How about you try do it the way you get to me and say, because one of people, yo, before me start the gym, I'm afraid for God gym, you know. Come here and say, yo, I don't know how to use them machine. I'm going to look like idiot to do this, I'm going to look like fool to do this. And then everybody in the gym big and thick already, and then me I go in there with my big fat belly. Me be intimidated by it, I swear to you know. And a whole heap of people that watch this right now want to go to gym and them intimidated by it because they don't know how to operate certain machine. But trust me, health is wealth, so you have to just make up on the mind and just go. You're not going to learn. You have people where sometimes I go to the gym and me I do something wrong, somebody would come over to me and say, yo, you know, do it the way, do it the way. I'm really like that, I appreciate that. So if you see me I do something wrong, not say you're famous, you're idiot, we do this, we do that, and I saw this though. Educate me, right? I'm see a little sweat though. That means something are going on. Need some water. Yo, the treadmill there come like now over it. No side 100, you know? Now over it. sister called me. Yo. Yeah. No, I'm in a gym. I vlog me there, I vlog, you know. Wow. Upstairs. Me probably go across tomorrow. Me just had do chest and some cardio today. Yo, you say I feel much up right now. For a long time I fought up here. And when you go back, I surf here. So I think I eat that for the gym right now, or may I leave my heart. I think I eat that for the day. Can't do nothing more. You're 1 month now, I'm not forward up here, you know. 1 month now, so right now I don't even want to overwork myself. I don't even want to pop a muscle or nothing too crazy, so right now I just have to call it a day. I have to finish my laundry. I have work later, so
yeah, thank God.
you can book me. Alright, so how am I do? Let me look for Not me know this. Just try.
Alright, so me have violin, man.
It's a fool never know. With the plumbing on the side. So
This ain't no plumbing. This is mechanic.
Funny off. Look like you have to go call the real mechanic. Cause I don't know what I'm looking for out here. Want to go over a deli. But who don't want to see me, you know? I'm showing my foot right now. Tell me why I come out here in a Crocs. I want little tin socks. Little tin socks and Crocs. I come out here, you know. Look how me cheap. I don't even know what I look for. I know I need. Oh wow, damn, a good thing I come in here, you know. Sorry. Need one of them, yeah. The coconut water, peach and mango. Me say them the bad. Now I'm gonna buy this, cause my deodorant done. I can't bother go CVS right now. My father there, my father no stop drink them, yeah. So I'm gonna buy one of them, yeah. Be a them in consume. So I have to go buy a pack of this car go give him right now. Or me do laundry. So I need one of them. One of this. I feel like I forgot something else. What I do a phone, I'm not lying. Wow. What I have to go do now is I have to go, well from morning I do laundry. Them dry, them wash. So what I go do, I just put them in a dryer. Yo, that mash up. This mash up. It can't pull it can't. Wait, let me see if mine ain't good down here. So. Alright, mine good. Mirror, did it look like me mash up, you know? Alright. So them a ring out? Them a no ring out. Oh my goodness. None of them a no ring out. Me have to go do a quick wash. And them a go charge me $2 again for do that, you know? So me have to go do the quick wash. Just forget this for ring out. Cause none of them no ring out. Me have a Messi jersey, an Inter Miami jersey, and this can't dry in that. Because if me dry this right now, it will go shrink up. Me have to go bring this work go dry. So it mash up again. 3 minutes. Again. Be a water in them. Who more dollar again? Me don't even think me have no more money left on this account. Them some more money left on it. $7. Wow. So right now I'm going to reach work. If I'm way I go work. Stopping at deli. I look a little snacks, you know. Need a cranberry. Need some healthy snacks. Remember I'm in the gym now, so trail mix. Can't go wrong with trail mix. What's up, man? Chilling. So I think this alone I get for right now. So just something for my munch pan while I'm at work. Peace out. Thank you. Alright. Yo. Do me up. Bad. Wait. I'm not supposed to attack with food in my mouth. Hold on. I'm wash it down. Alright, so this year, really and truly, I try to be more transparent with you know. I work. I'm working at a private school. Me at the school custodian, well, them have more custodian. Me just one at the school custodian. If me didn't know say a so custodian job easy and so much money them pay, would have been to do this. Been to do this. Me have 7 classrooms to clean at evening time, 2 office and the hallway. All me do to the hallway is sweep the hallway, wipe it. Got me hard. 2 weeks time, me get my money. I call this my side hustle. When me get paid from this, me just go use the money and push it in a video, make more movies, make short film, do all of them some they call. Me not lie, me like the job. It's a nice little job. As me say, it's a private school and me are one of them custodian because them have other custodian, them have head custodian. Me are just one of them custodian. Me just come in at evening time when school over. When me come in, sweep the classroom, vacuum the mat, wipe the classroom if you need wipe, take out the garbage, go to the next classroom. Me would have been, me don't know if every one of them stays so, or because this is like a private school. But me literally not really do nothing up here. And them pay good. I'm going to show you basically what I do. You know, I can't video certain part in the school, I can't video certain place. Right now, I'm in a classroom, I can only show certain thing. Me control the pre-K part. So, when I come in, boom, 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 2 minutes, I sweep out in here. Boom, 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 2 minutes, I vacuum the mat. Boom, 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 2 minutes, I wipe out. Gone our next class, and 7 of them I have to do. I'm going to make a time lapse. And literally show you me I clean one of the classroom there. Yo, me I tell you now, people who if you know once, if you know not work and want to make a nice little money, find one school and ask if they want a custodian. Preferably evening custodian. So you do the classroom then when everybody left. So more while I'm alone lock the building. I'm alone in here. Because I'm lock up at evening time. Sometimes they call me. I'm come in and walk me to school at morning time. And me just there for the whole day. Sometimes I do all 13 hours. 13 hours, when me see them check there, me make a time lapse and show now. All me have to do.
Supply, hold up tight.
finally done now. I just there chill until time for my clock out. Just go out to do a little while. Wow. Outside now, all the mates. Wow. Just wow. Me want to go to supermarket tonight. I feel for ackee. So I want to cook some ackee tonight. But I go do ackee and bread. I go buy a hard bread and deal with that. But right now, outside feel too. I just want to go straight to my yard. I hope they cook on my yard. Yeah, I don't want to judge me now. I want to laugh off of me now. But you know how long I'm supposed to wear glasses? You know how long I'm supposed to wear glasses? From me do the first video on YouTube, I'm supposed to wear glasses. I know half of you never see me in glasses before. But now my eyes them really get to a point where I legit need my glasses them. So kinda happy I wear them now. I never expected I could come to that, but here we are. Are we here? Wow, out the door now, well, no meds. None. Me just want to go me out right now, but me have 18 minutes left and then I'm out. Me should have said, I want this under my nose. I'm out.